Hey everybody, welcome to another video. You're watching That Style Girl Era and I'm Sid. So today it's going to be an exciting video and that is Meesho Tops haul. So I found very cute and Pinteresty tops on Meesho and I thought why not let's make a video. So this haul is going to be very short but it is going to be super cute, I promise you. And let's get started. It's been really long that I made a haul video so I thought let's give it a try. Previously, I uploaded a video on Ajio where I found literally Pinteresty items just at 200 rupees. You can check that out. I've put the link in the description. Also, stay subscribed to my channel if you want more Pinteresty affordable finds. One that I have is this cute little top. This is a crop top and it has this ruffle sleeves and it has a V neckline which is so cute. And if you look at the back, it has this elastic thing. It's so pretty, right? And it has all the floral print all over. So I got it in the size S. As you can see, it's very thin straps. So if you don't wear sleeveless, I don't recommend buying this. So I got this product at 336 rupees. And size is S. It has so many variants available, different colors, different patterns. I've put links of all the products in the description. You can definitely go there and check that. The next one I have for you is floral brocade corset top with sheer puff sleeves. How the top is became. I hope you can see. It has the square neckline. And if you look at the sleeves, it's completely netted. So it's transparent. And at the end, it is ruffled like this. They have this elastic band as well. The material is very soft. It's very comfortable. I'm sure if it is summer, this will be perfect. At the bottom, it is like this. And if you want to look at the print, it is something like this. They have so many variants available in this too. So you can definitely check that. And at the back, it is something like this. Even the finishing, if you look at it, it's very clean. It's not like, you got it from Meesho. So many times I was disappointed with Meesho because of quality, because of size, so many other reasons. But this time I'm so surprised because Meesho is giving so good products. So this costed me 334. If you don't wear crop tops, then this might be perfect for you. It's almost like short kurti. It's a top, it's a western top, but it is like a kurti. This one that I have for you is a party wear crop top. It's a very cute aesthetic top that I found on Meesho. I got it in color, red color. As you can see, if you look at the neckline, it's square neckline and it's a sleeveless top. And these ruffles pattern is so pretty. And I'm just in love with this wine red color. It's so pretty. It's so cute. So it's a crop top. Again, I got this in size S. I brand is Seren Thread. I never heard about this brand anytime. I mean, it's Meesho, guys. They have only two variants available in this, that is red and black. It costed me 253 rupees and I got it in size S. I'm sure it will be very comfortable if you wear. Especially for summer, it will be very perfect. College, you can wear it to a function, a party, anywhere. Literally, it's like a top for everything. If you have a gathering, for anything, you can wear this up. It's like stylish yet very cute. So the next one that I have for you is a crop top t-shirt. Personally, I did not like this one much. Print called Ontario 76 California. I don't know why it is like that. At least they should have given 6-7, right? We all know that trend 6-7. It would have been cooler if it has 6-7, but anyways, it has 7-6. No worries. It has this neckline like this and sleeves are like this. Sleeves are like this. And this is the fabric quality. It's very soft. It feels very comfortable, but I did not like this much because of the quality. It's soft, but I don't know. Something about this is not my type. I would recommend this one. I don't know how it will look on me after wearing. Let's see. This is also size S. It looks something like this in the photo, but in reality, it's totally different. I don't know if you can sense that in camera or not, but I can see that. So it looks something like this. So I got it for 172 rupees. The last one that I have for you is this Korean style white women top. I mean, see, look at this. It's pretty. But the material, the fabric, I'm not a fan of this. It's very cute, the pattern, everything is so cute, but the finishing, I did not like it much. As you can see inside, they have used a completely different thread. See? Black over white. Oh my god. That's so not done. But the stitching, the pattern is so pretty. If they had used a better fabric for stitching, it would have been even prettier, but what can be done? This material feels like the material, doctors and nurses wear, right? That coat. It's like that. Uniform. It seemed like uniform material. I don't know. I'm not a fan of this side of material. And I'm sure it will not be very comfortable, especially in summers. You'll be sweating, and this material is not at all going to save you. For sure. Otherwise, if you just wanted to wear for one time, two times, you can buy this, but it's not a comfortable wear, of course. But the pattern is so pretty, right? If I find something like this in the same pattern but with some other material, I'll definitely buy it and recommend to you actually. Again, the size that I got this one is S, and it costed me 262 rupees. In the picture, it's little long, but in reality, it's a little short, longer than a crop top, but not same as it was shown in the picture. So that's it for today. I really hope you liked the video, and make sure to check the description box for all the links. I've provided everything, and I hope you like this haul, and I'll be coming up with more hauls like this. So stay subscribed and share with your friends as much as possible, because everybody wants affordable and Pinteresty finds. So that's it for today, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, bye bye.